June 6, 2011. Came home last night to a storm and possible tornado that came through my yard. We say tornado because we have a clear path right here through the woods. Trees snapped over like twigs, and behind us, trees down everywhere. Actually blocks off the driveway. We can't get in or out. And luckily, for the most part, my Jeep was unharmed. No major damage to it. Still haven't had a chance to look at it and see exactly what's been hurt on it, but no trees fell directly on it, so that's always a good sign.